Welcome back to TechKidFX for another HARMONYONE price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the HARMONYONE chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.02166 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I give you my next price targets here on the HARMONYONE chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that HARMONYONE, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing an all-time high at around the $0.39 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now given us a low at around the $0.009 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that wave 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.61746 mark, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that wave 3 to the upside. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios and also my next price targets here on the HARMONYONE chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.009 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I'm terming that as the first wave to the upside. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in a move that has now given us the low for that second wave. Then we started another bounce to the upside in a move that gave us the high for that wave 3 at around the $0.02966 mark before we started this corrective structure, which I still believe is what we are seeing over here in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.02428 mark and the $0.0209 mark, and it is within this red target area that I'm expecting to see the low for this fourth wave to the lower side. And because a wave 4 is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, and I believe we are seeing such a move right here on the charts, where we can term this as the wave A, then a wave B, and I'm expecting one more new low in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize our red target area in the formation of that wave 4, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4, that is that wave C, by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the high of that wave A to the low of the wave A, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave B. That gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave C at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0297 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect that wave C to the lower side to do. And once that plays out, then that will be fully maximizing the formation of that wave 4 to the lower side. And once the wave 4 plays out, then I think that will be another perfect entry into HARMONYONE, and that is not financial advice, so that we can be able to ride this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And once you see the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, then we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And given that we have lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance, we have also lost it on the daily chart, which is also acting as resistance, then there are chances of continuing to push even lower to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 4, and also fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave C. And the next target that I'm watching over here is at around the $0.02166 mark, which is a key support zone. So let's continue watching that support zone at around the $0.02166 mark, and at that key support zone, that is another key decision point, because we can either find support and also make the low for that fourth wave at that point, and then expect another massive bounce to the upside in what could be the start of the formation of that wave 5. But in case we lose that key area of support, support, then I'll be expecting HARMONYONE to fully maximize the fib level 1.618 in the formation of that wave C, and also give us the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 35 mark, meaning we have a bit of room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave 4. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the selling momentum here on the MACD, fully supporting the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.